The event today was a great opportunity to do some networking, has some really interesting presentations focusing on sustainable recycling around lithium batteries, cybersecurity and the preparedness that you need, and the governance and compliance requirements to take a product to market.
This is our first event that we attended. Definitely got a lot out of today. I find the support has been really great.
The people in the room were really knowledgeable, insightful. It was really useful for us to understand what the challenges of those businesses are and actually meet them halfway and support from a financial perspective.
The event was really well put together, a combination of presentations that allowed us to reflect on a table-by-table basis on what that would have an impact on each one of our businesses, and that allowed you to really get to know the people that you were with there today.
I want to connect with innovative local businesses and technology, from massive multinational companies to smaller SMEs. I think it's definitely a great place to meet new and like-minded people.
We're all sharing certain common thematic problems, and we can all sometimes help and solve other people's issues by that connection and that collaboration, which I think is really, really key for success.
The Silverstone Technology Cluster is great at building a community. It gets all those like-minded people in the same room. You find a common thread throughout their conversations, and they don't compete, they actually want to work together, which is amazing.